Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how you can get a live person when you call customer service. That's right. In these days of chatbots and a not lessening, but call centers using less people or less live people, it's becoming increasingly challenging to get to a live person when you need tech support. In many instances, these call centers reduce people because they feel chatbots can answer the most commonly asked questions when it comes to technology, such as people calling for a broken device and technicians reminding them or chatbots reminding them that they need to turn on and turn off their device. Another commonly asked solution or offered solution would be, can you update your device or have you updated your device before you called tech support? Another thing that companies want to weed out, if people have warranty devices or devices that are still covered under the factory warranty or devices that are out of warranty. When your device is out of warranty, which under most circumstances will last a year, companies don't want to deal with you anymore. They feel that you should have to pay for support or go find support at one of your local IT heroes. But let's talk about some of the things that can help you get to a live person, because when it comes to technology, talking to someone live can be a lot easier than trying to talk to someone who is either reading off a script or a chatbot that's just responding to maybe just a small detail of the real reason of why you're calling. So the first thing that you should probably try to do is to make sure that you call the sales department first, just to get transferred to a live person. Call centers are still set up to talk to people to purchase products or software or even services. So when you call a number, make sure that you get called or transferred to the sales department. That way you will immediately get a live person, and it's not guaranteed that you will get your problem solved by talking to a sales representative, but at least the sales representative is a live person and can help direct you to where you need to go by either transferring you or giving you the number that you need to call in order to get tech support. Sounds like it's convoluted, but actually it works pretty good. True story. There have been many instances doing tech support for customers where I have had to call tech support, and I've called the sales department to get around those chatbots in order to get a live person that can give me a quick answer to the problem that I'm experiencing. Our next, or I should say my next solution, I don't know why I say ours, should be mine. I'm doing these videos. But hit that zero button. It's almost like yelling representative, representative, because call centers know that chatbots don't work the way they're supposed to. So if you get the operator can get you transferred to or get you the right number to talk to a live person for tech support. Even if there isn't a live person to tech support, the operator can give you an idea of what process you need to do in order to get tech support. You can find out if there's out of warranty tech support, if there's in warranty tech support. There's a lot of things that a live person can do that a machine can't, because they just don't understand you. So keep that in mind when you are dealing with trying to get tech support. Call the operator. It may make life a lot simpler for you. Next is to, when you're thinking about purchasing products, work with companies that you know have decent tech support. For example, your internet provider, if you needed tech support from them, chances are that you're going to get a live person. Now, to go back to tech support with TV or internet service with your internet provider, sometimes it's a good idea to call TV support, even though you may have internet support if you can't get the answers that you're looking for. A television representative with your internet support provider can get you to the right department, and it works because you're talking to a live person. But when you are looking to purchase new tech items, work with those companies that have live support. Probably two of the best out there are Google. Oh, excuse me, that is one of the worst. But going back, that would be Dell and that would be Apple. Dell and Apple have excellent customer service. Apple will and Dell only have you go through a few prompts before you actually talk to a live person. Some of the worst are Google, Microsoft, and of course, any of your social media companies. You just have to understand going in with these products that you aren't going to get any support from those companies. So if you have problems, it's just not going to work out for you. Another company I will mention that has decent tech support would be Hewlett Packard. A lot of other companies, you have to create a ticket and then get those companies to call you back. And there's no telling when they will call you back, which is such an inconvenience. So do your research, find out which companies offer the best tech support, and purchase those products accordingly. So that way, if you run into issues, you know that you will have a live voice helping you out. My next tip would be to find a IT hero that you can call whenever you have technology issues. Now, you guys know I own a computer repair and IT support services company, right? I hope you understand that with these videos. But you can always call me if you have issues with support. Now, keep in mind, if it's detailed, there's going to be a fee. But at least you know at our office we have a live person, a live people that answer the phone, so that if you've got tech questions, we can answer them for you. That's no means of a method of trying to advertise or pimp out my IT support services company. But get in the mindset that when you're dealing with larger companies, you're not going to get instantly with someone who can help you with whatever tech question you have. Sometimes those technology questions are the difference of replacing a part or buying a whole new device. But it's better to hear it from experts that can immediately tell you what needs to happen, as opposed to going through a call center and wasting your time and your, well, I won't say money, but your time, but time is money. And you definitely are better off finding your own local IT hero to make sure that your problems are solved. I love this. IT hero. I need to find an IT shirt so I can look just like this guy and open up my shirt to show my IT hero status. Next is time. Time, oh, give me time. Just like the Culture Club song, or there's a ton of songs about time, but timing is perfect, or timing can make it perfect for you to get a live person. If you call Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are probably the best days to try to call for tech support on a product. And keep in mind that the first thing in the morning is the best time to call for support or live support with a human. When you try to call on the weekends, sometimes these companies aren't open. They're bombarded with calls because that's when people have time to sit and wait for a human to get on the phone. So keep in mind, time is of essence, and the early bird always gets the worm. So keep that in mind if you're trying to call one of these tech support companies and get a live person. Now, my last tip is probably the best tip as far as at least trying to locate numbers for tech support companies. And that would be the website Get Human, which you can reach at gethuman.com. Get Human has not only tech support numbers, but they also have numbers for just about anyone who's looking for support. If you give me a second, I'll show you how the site works. Let's pull up Get Human. Give me a few seconds and we will get human or get you over so that you can go to Get Human. So as I switch windows here, I'm going to go to the website, gethuman.com. And the reason I want to pull it up because there are some things that you need to worry about when you go to Get Human. Now, Get Human is a legitimate website, but Get Human is a website that relies on pop-up ads in order to keep going. Let's go to Get Human. Let's get to the desktop and show you how it works. So here's Get Human. You can reach it at gethuman.com and fix your customer service issues faster. Get a rep on the phone faster and get help better. Essentially what you want to do is you can type in a company name and hit search and it'll bring up a phone number. But as you can see, Get Human has a list of all the companies that they have numbers for, and you can click on anyone to get a number. I'm going to do Apple, and Apple has a phone number, an 800 number, gives you all the details of what goes on when you call Apple. You can get average hold time is 14 minutes. Popular issues with this call center are reach a live Apple agent, press 0, then press 6 for tech support. You kind of get the idea of how it works. And if you pull this up on your smartphone, you can definitely click on the phone number and it will take you directly to Apple. Now here's one of the things you have to worry about with Get Human. It is ad based, so some of the ads that pop up verify that it's an ad and get out of it. Most circumstances, the screen's going to look like this. So if we were to type in Microsoft Tech Support, and you can break it down by any company and what department that you want, you can go to Microsoft Tech Support, give you the phone number, gives you the average hold time, the department, hours, best time to call, etc., etc. So Get Human is one of the better things that you can do in order to get live tech support. So hopefully that has given you some ideas of what you can do in order to reach a live human when trying to get tech support. If you have comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what things I can do to help you with your computer problems and to help you get a live person when trying to get tech support. With every video, I've always asked, make sure you share this useful tidbit with your friends and family by commenting, liking, and sharing the video. I know you know people out there that struggle with technology, and I'm here to help. In fact, my goal with every video is to help you get more from the technology that you use at home and at work. I love technology. I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourselves and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.